All right, it's Monday morning, day after Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to all those mothers out there. And you know what else that means? It's May Long Weekend coming up next weekend. And here in Saskatchewan and in the northern climate, it's time to plant. We're in zone 2-3 up here, which means we might have frost. You know, we could still have frost tonight. It gets pretty cool up the evenings, but by May Long, you're pretty well guaranteed that you can start planting. So we're gonna start planting this weekend, but we got lots to do. It's a busy week ahead of us. We got trees to plant, we got gardens to prepare. We've neglected for a few years because we had a really big other project that eventually I'll talk about. It was a huge project that took about 2 or 3 years to do, and our gardens have kind of got neglected, and the trees that we had planted 2 or 3, 4 years ago are still sitting in that soil. So we got to move a lot of trees, and we got to clean up some gardens. We're possibly going to build a new garden, which is really exciting. We got a really nice little spot for it that we're going to build a new garden. So we're going to try to build a new garden till the ground and build a new garden this year. We'll see if that happens this week, 'cause I want to get the seeds in the ground this weekend. See, we've had a real problem with our garden up at the front of our property. It's quackgrass. Quackgrass has been a problem right from the get-go, so we tried a no-till approach last year. I'm going to do another video on that. It's a unique way of gardening. I can't say that it worked for us. I'd love some tips. If you got some tips out there, throw them in the comments, let me know. Because it's an interesting way of doing it. There's a lot of root growth and bacteria and things like that that really make no-till make sense, but it didn't work for us. So I have to get in there with the tiller and till up a whole bunch of the old garden, and then the new garden, we got to break brand new ground. This is the new garden here, as you can see. It's pure grass. I put the sheep in here, these 2 sheep in here for the last little while, penned them up so they can eat the grass down, leave some manure, and then we're gonna go in, hopefully get a rototiller in here in the next day or so here and start breaking this ground. But my wife thinks we can get it done. I'm a bit more pessimistic that we're gonna be able to get it done this weekend. Yeah, so this is our week. We're gonna try to keep you updated, and you know, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get our updates, and follow us on our social media. Okay, right on, thanks.